Okay, we're unboxing my Christmas present, which is the ICOM IC-7100 transceiver. Very excited to have this, and now let's unbox it. Open it up. There we go. And then we have some instructions. This is the CD with the software and the manual and stuff. Pretty important. You'll probably want to print out the full manual because this is the starter kit manual that gets you going with simple information. Fairly well done as well, but there's much more in the extended manual on the CD-ROM. Put that over here. Lift the cover here and see what we get underneath. We get this out. And there we go. Our next item is the power. Man, that is a swift power cord. That really looks heavy, double fused, looks good. And then here is the data cable. Nice, excellent. And then the connector to the remote module. I like that. That looks real good. And then we get some other parts, extra fuse and so forth, mentioned in the manual. Keep that aside. Our next item to unbox here is the microphone. Get that guy out. Put this down. Solid feeling. Love it. I've been told that this microphone is connector is, I believe, a Ethernet connection for extension. That's what I have on the 5100, and that works great. This feels good in the hand, solid. And let's put that aside. And then our next is the wonderful control unit. Now I have kind of peeked at this already, so I took the film off of it. But you can see that's really let me just close this down. All I have to say is that feels solid. You hear that? That feels really solid. This is a solid construction here. And then we have our connectors on the back and the speaker. And then on the base, we have these feet that come out. Feel really good. That's excellent there. The feet. And then the little tripod mount on the bottom. This is really, really solid. That looks and feels great. I am so excited. I feel like I'm holding something that's very well made. Take that box out. And then this is the brains controlling it all next. Open it up. Again, solid construction. And then see the back of it. We've got all the connectors. They pack this with ways to connect to it. The ground connector on the bottom is a serial number information and solid little feet on it. And let's look at the front. There's the front where the SD card goes in. This really feels good. I can hardly wait to get this all hooked up. That's for the mounting bracket. Of course, ICOM charges extra. That should be their bonus item to throw in. Let's go ahead and set these all together. So we've got the base unit here. And you should be able to see that. And then we've got the control unit as well. And then the microphone. Get the microphone. So just fantastically built. I'm so excited to work with this. We'll get more videos coming down the pike, but this is my Christmas present. I am just delighted. Love it. Feels solid, looks solid. This is Martin, KI4 CFS Clear. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell so you'll see new videos. Have a great day.